how are you? Let's make a watch for my friend. You see the dial? I will tell the story behind the dial. And this is the hands that I will use. All parts are from AliExpress. I will put the link down below. The movement is NH35, classic movement. Most of the builds that you see on the YouTube, they're all this NH35. A very reliable movement. For the case, I picked this 36 millimeters with the open case back so you can see the movement, fluted bezel, and the bracelet is this Jubilee bracelet. Very nice. I like it how it feels on the hands. This all the tools that I will use. I will put the link for them also in the description down below. So let's start with assembling the movement. First of all, I want to tell you that when I was looking at the statistics of my videos, 99% of people that are watching are not subscribed, so it will mean a lot if you would subscribe. Thank you. Let me show you. These are the holes where you put the dial in. You just push them down. And for the dial, as you can see, there is this is a Rolex dial. It says, "Who cares? I'm late already." And the funny thing is that this friend, she's always late, every time. So a couple of months ago, she sent me a picture of Rolex watch with the crown, same dial, just the crown on it. And she said, "This is my watch." And I was thinking, why not make it for her? So here we are. If you like these types of videos, I have a lot of videos about watches, like unboxing. I have videos of making watches. I have restoration videos. Everything that is about watches I love and I do. So check it out when you finish watching this. And as you can see, you have to align them with the hole, and you need to cut out those two extra spikes on both sides, as you can see, and you just push them in. Now we have to move hands clockwise so the date changes. You see, that means this is 12 o'clock on the watch, and we put our hand on 12 o'clock. So when the date changes again, it would mean that it's 12 o'clock. And please take your time when you assembling, putting the hands on. And see, just press with this, but be careful because you can damage the dial or the hand. And every time you press it, you see what I'm doing here. I'm going 24 hours to see when will the date change. And hopefully it changes on 12 o'clock. And you see. Yeah, somehow my camera died and I didn't film how I put the minute hand on, but the same principle as the hour hand. And now for the seconds hand. It's so little, it's so thin. Please take care when you do this so you don't break it or something. If you look it up on AliExpress, you have a lot of parts and a lot of stuff that you can do with your watch. I have 2 more watches that I made from AliExpress parts. You can go on my channel to see them. And yeah, you can mod them, you can do different colors, all sorts of stuff. It's nice and it's a fun hobby to have. And yes, the clock ticks. The next thing we're gonna do is get this stem out and put movement in the watch case. So you see, you have to press this. I did a bad angle here, but you have to press this little thing so you can pull out the stem. You unscrew the crown here so it can go over the dial. And I don't know what is trickier, the moment where you put the hands on the dial or this part next. Because now you have to cut the stem to the right length of your case. And I advise you to buy a couple more stems because you sometimes cut them too much and it doesn't fit, so just buy 2 or 3 more. They're so cheap, so it's better. You see, now I'm putting back the stem in, so I know how much should I cut from the stem. And I lost the battery on my caliper, but I can do it this way, no worries. You see, this much I should cut. And now I'm cutting the extra parts from the stem. The angle is so bad here, I'm sorry. But yeah, I cut to the length that I measured. Sometimes you cut a bit smaller than it should, but it's all good because you can cut it again. And now for the crown, I just screw it in back on the stem. I saw on YouTube that some guys put the glue in it, but I just screw it like this. I made 2 more watches like this and I don't have a problem with it. It never unscrewed or something, so I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, again, click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to this part. We're almost there. Let's just see if this fits. The stem is in. Let's screw it in. And it's perfect. Alright. So now let's assemble the watch finally. What I always do, I grease up the gasket. It's like a 2-minute work, maybe less, but it helps keep watch to be waterproofed, so why not? Tell me down below, did you make your own watches sometimes, or you're just looking at it, like looking at people making watches, or you want to try it out yourself? Yeah, I want to know. And if you have some questions about making the watches, please comment down and I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna answer to your questions. Yeah, sorry for my English, I'm working on it. I'm taking classes so I can speak better. let's close the watch. I love this when you can see the movement on the case back. The thing is, people don't see it, but you know it's there, and I like looking at it. And the watch is finished for the most part. Now we just need to put the bracelet in. I just now realized that I didn't peel the stickers off of the case. So let's do that, and then I'm gonna put the bracelet on the watch. Yeah, this blue hand, second hand, looks so good on this. You have the stickers on the back too. Yeah, this H35 moment. I'm gonna leave some ASMR for this part. Enjoy. So I forgot to tell you, this bracelet has quick adjustments, you see. I love this feature on the bracelet. And this is the final product. I love it, I love it. I hope she likes it. I think the measurements are great, 36 for women. And I like this blue hand, second hand with this dial. It looks amazing. Like I said, everything will be in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and let's see our wrist track. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and comment what you think about this watch. See you in the next video.